Good morning, class. May I request everyone to please stand, and may I request Miss Obihina to please lead the prayer. Amen. Wow, I can see a happy, beautiful, and handsome faces in this morning. How are you today, class? Wow, very good. Please do remain standing for our energizer. Just follow the video that is shown on TV screen. Okay, before you settling down, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and make your chairs properly aligned. For your taking of attendance, once I call your name, instead of saying present, just say I'm alive. Alberto, Zoilo. Okay, no one is absent today. Just give ourselves a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Class, I have here a classroom rules for you to be followed. Please read, everyone. Thank you. For today, class, we will have another lesson to be tackled. But before that, let us have first recap what we discussed last meeting. Who can still remember what we discussed last meeting? Yes, Ms. Katubis? It's all about the rules of school. Now, class, do you have any idea what was our topic for today? Then, if not, then I have here a jumbled words. All you have to do is arrange it into a correct words. Who wants to answer? Yes, Miss Dizos? This coming from? Okay, thank you, Miss Dizos. Please give Miss Dizos a 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Miss Dizos' arranged word is social rules of education. Class, our topic for today is all about social rules of education. But before that, I have here a objectives. Please read, everyone. Thank you. But before we explore into this topic, let us first continue the continuation of Ms. Katubi's topic, which is the rules of school. We have here a character building and propagation of civilization and culture. Please read Ms. Zoilo, the character building. Thank you, Ms. Zoilo. Character building class is all about the schools provide an environment where students can express themselves freely while learning self-discipline and responsibility. This helps shape their character and personality. Example, participating in debates, it's foster a critical thinking and confidence while teamwork in sports teaches cooperation and perseverance. Next is the propagation of civilization and culture. Please, Ms. Iskanier, read. Okay, thank you, Ms. Iskanier. It's all about that education instills a societal values by teaching children in moral, cultural, and ethical principles. This ensures the continuation of traditions and civilization. For instance, the history lesson teach a national heritage while cultural events in schools celebrating a diversity and unity. Now, class, we explore to the social rules of school. In article written by Puja Mundal entitled Educational System, the Meaning, Aspect, and Social Functions of Education, the author identified the social roles of school, which are described as follows. First is the development of personality. Ms. Zapanta, please read. Thank you, Ms. Zakanta. Development of personality class, it's all about that education shapes individual a physical, mental, and emotional growth. Schools encourage a critical thinking, creativity, and resilience. Next is the social control. Please, Mr. Yano, read. Okay, thank you. It's all about that schools teach a social norms and acceptable behavior, guiding a children to be a responsible member of society. Example, schools enforce rules like respecting elders and following schedule, which is it instills a discipline. Next is the social integration. Please, Ms. Glisos, read. Okay, thank you, Ms. Glisos. It's all about the schools naturally foster a relationship, teaching students cooperation and mutual respect. Example, a group project encourage a teamwork and understanding diverse perspective. Next is the determination of status. Please, Ms. Romano, read. Thank you. Its education influences a person's social and economic position by providing skills and qualifications. Example is a student from a low-income background can earning a degree that can secure the high-paying job. And next is provides road for social mobility. Please read, Ms. Ominita. Okay, thank you. It's all about that higher education allows individuals to climb the social and economic ladder. And the last one is the social development. Ms. Sopotalo, please read. Okay, thank you. It's all about that education plays a key role in societal progress by producing a informed and society of citizens. Now, did you understand what was our topic for today? Or what was my discussions for today? Okay, now, I will group you into two groups. Please start counting, Mr. Alberto to Ms. Zoilo. Okay. All you have to do, listen carefully, class. All you have to do is, with each group, participants will brainstorm and plan a short scenario that shows the social rules of school are used. Again, with each group, participants will brainstorm and plan a short scenario that shows the social rules of school are used. I will only give you 5 minutes to prepare and 5 minutes to perform here in front. But before that, here is your rubrics. Please read, Ms. Zoilo. Okay. Now you may now see. Okay, time's up. Let's witness the presentation of Group 1. Wow, what a nice presentation. Let's give them a yummy clap. Do you know the clap yummy clap? Okay, let's clap together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Okay, and now let's proceed to the group presentation. Wow, what a nice also a presentation. Let's give them a Dorna clap. Okay, let's clap together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ding ang bato, Dorna. Okay. Yet earlier you said that you didn't have any clarifications or questions regarding on our topic, and you said that you understand on our topic. Now then, I will be the one to questions. Why is it important to have a social rules of education? You raise your hand. Wow, what a fantastic answer! And now, the last question is, can you provide at least 2 social roles of education? Yes, Miss Opinita? Wow, very good. I see that you really understand what was our topic for today. Now, we will have a short quiz. Get one for sheet of paper and identify what is being asked on the following questions. I will only read the questions twice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please pass all your paper on the center aisle and 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, and pass in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, I have here the assignments. Get your notebooks and copy your assignment. Okay, class done?